Understanding, Swallow Your Pride, a guide to humility in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood: swallow your pride. This expression is all about humility, making amends, and the importance of sometimes accepting that we're not always right. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Swallow your pride means to set aside your ego or pride and accept that you are wrong or need to apologize. It involves admitting your mistakes or accepting a situation you might not like because it's the right thing to do or because it's necessary for resolution. This phrase is often used in situations where acknowledging fault or the need for compromise is essential for moving forward. The phrase, swallow your pride, uses the imagery of swallowing something unpleasant. Swallowing, in this context, symbolizes accepting something difficult or uncomfortable, much like accepting our faults or admitting defeat. While the exact origins of this phrase are unclear, it has been a part of the English language for centuries, reflecting the universal human experience of dealing with pride and humility. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After the argument, I had to swallow my pride and apologize to my friend. Sometimes, to keep the peace, you need to swallow your pride and accept the compromise. He swallowed his pride and asked for his job back after realizing the new opportunity wasn't right for him. These examples show that swallowing your pride is about overcoming personal barriers for the sake of a greater good or personal growth. Swallowing your pride isn't just about admitting you're wrong, it's a vital social skill. It allows for reconciliation, strengthens relationships, and promotes understanding and respect among people. By learning to swallow your pride, you demonstrate maturity, empathy, and the ability to prioritize collective well-being over personal vanity. Swallow your pride is more than just a phrase. It's a lesson in humility and the power of admitting our mistakes. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and encouraged you to embrace the strength that comes from being humble. Remember, it's okay to admit when you're wrong. Doing so can open the door to deeper connections and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.